do my BILLET pedal swap on my 69 Cutlass. That's what I got right here. The BILLET specialties. Part number. Right there that says universal. Here's the gas pedal right here. Do that on there. Try to make it a little better. Get this old stuff out the way. I'm gonna try. This is my first time doing it, so I'm gonna be trying to do it step by step. So, you know, this ain't no how-to. I'm just showing y'all different stuff I'm doing to the car as I go along with it. Okay, I'm back. I had to grind my emergency brake pedal. I had to grind it because it was too wide for it to go on. I ain't gonna use that when I cut it too much, so they got two of them in there. Just screw it down with the screw tight. I had to paint that don't look good. But yeah, that's what it look like. I'm gonna tighten it down and start on the brake and on the gas. But for me to do this, I put some tape. Take this out. Took some tape, taped it on there, and when I pat the screws on there, it kind of indented where it was it, and I just run from there. And really just gotta try to put in there the best way you can. There ain't no way to do it, but it ain't perfect, but it's gonna work. So I got that one on. Just used 2 screws with it. It's on there tight. It ain't no moving it on. That's just the whole. The pedal's not loose. So this is what I was meaning when I had the tape. And on the back of here, the pedal, you just screw it on there, whichever one you think that fit. And when you push it on the tape, it should leave some type of indentation or something on it. And just go from there. And once you figure out what you got, drill your hole, go for the next. But I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut it back on when I got it on there. I got 3 of the holes drilled for the brake pedal. And that's what I was talking about. You see them little indentions right there? Where I put the tape down so I can kind of mark it. I got a little punch as well, but I didn't use this, so I just put that tape right there. At first I had the screws. Like you see 2 of them. That's the one when I had it on the closer inside. Then I moved the screw on the outside because I didn't want it too close by this metal bar right there. So I brought it out. And this is what I mean. You can focus. You can kind of put the screws in wherever you think you want to put them in. So that's what I was talking about. So I'm finna drill this other hole, this 4th hole. Show y'all what we got. Then got the gas pedal. That one on there good. Ain't no moving. It's on there with 2 of them. 2 screws on that one because it's really hard to get in there. Do this last screw, drill this one, get this one mounted up, show y'all that one. Then I'm gonna start on the gas pedal and should be through. I'm back. I got the brake pedal mounted. It's my little flashlight I'm using. Got the brake pedal mounted, secured. Got all screws, washers, and nuts on there tight. Got that one on there secured, tight. Finna tackle this gas pedal on now, and we'll be through. But the original gas pedal is a little bit too big, so I might have to do a little trimming or something like that to get this gas pedal on there. I can show y'all what I'm talking about. You put it on there, it's like, you see that little plug right there hanging from the original pedal? So I'm gonna have to do a little trimming to get it on there as best as I can. Get back with y'all, cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. We'll be through. I'm back. I got all 3 of them mounted up. Emergency brake, brake pedal, and gas pedal. I use foam off the gas pedal for screws. Got them on there, got it secured, and she ready to go. A couple of tools you might need. What I use, different size drill bits to step it down. I used the 10mm, one of these. The one for the emergency brake, and the gas pedal used the same size screw. It's a little small size like this, which fits this 10mm nut. And the brake pedal, use this bigger screw. You screw it in the back of it. Got an Allen key hole right there so you can tighten it down. Then you put this, I think this like a 12mm. They go on there. Get it like that. And clean my mess up. That's what we looking like. Out with the old, in with the new. Put my kick panel back right there. Vacuum all this up. Get it together and let y'all see what it all look like. I'm back, YouTube. Pedals mounted, all three of them. I got 2 screws in the back of my emergency brake because it's so small. That was the hardest one to do right there. I had to put 2 screws in there, but it is in there mounted good. Put 4 in the brake pedal, mounted good. That one wasn't that bad. The gas pedal, that one was the most easiest one, kind of like with the drilling, because the pedal is plastic. And once you find out what holes you're going to mount your screws in on the back of the pedal, like I said, use that tape. That's just the way I did. Y'all, you do the best way y'all know how to. But for me, I used the tape with the screws on there, and it kind of like scratched the tape up a little bit, like left a little indentation right there where the tape was at, indicating where I can drill my hole at or start my hole at. And like I said, that's what I did. Everything getting there straight. It ain't cricket, whatever. It's all in there. Yeah. I like it though for the most part. Give it a different little look. Look better than what it did. Look, I should have took before pictures too. Or whatever, took what video would have looked like before, but it is what it is. It look good. Made that black and billet. Just sit there. Watch how I clean that bad boy up. Shampoo that car. It's dirty. Clean it all up. Can't forget the roosters. Yeah, brush go. Show y'all a better picture of the whole car when I get it out. Right now it's cold. Yeah, it's December the 26th, day after Christmas. Mounted them up in the garage. Yeah. Drop some more videos for y'all just for me working on my car stuff I did. I should have been recording, but if it get pumped up now though.